Okay friends, so yesterday I uploaded a YouTube video in which I have shown how I have increased $1 into $68 by using compounding and a simple trading strategy that anyone can use right after watching this video. Okay, and I uploaded that video yesterday on YouTube and someone watched that. Okay, lots of people have watched that video and someone implemented that strategy and he was able to turn his $1 into $2,500. Let me show you. So here you can see his comment. With this strategy, I made $2,500 in three. Sorry, with this strategy, I made $2,500 in 3 hours. I congratulate you for this. May God bless you and good work. Okay, so you have commented this. And here is also another comment which says, so I tried this strategy on a demo account. I had $50 and I turned it into $200. Now I decided to remake this video again because it is extremely important for you to make profitable trades for lifelong. Okay, so watch this video very carefully because it actually works. Okay, it actually works, and you can also use compounding to increase your $1. See, you can take risk of $1 and try to increase it to $200, $60, $1,000. Okay, and you will only risk of losing that $1. And if you do that for 10 days, and in one day if you get that success, then you can exponentially increase your profit. Okay, even if your account is in loss, then also you can go into profit by using this strategy. And I have also enhanced this strategy a little bit, so that if you have already watched that previous video, then do watch this video because it will increase your accuracy. Okay, because I have enhanced something, I have changed something in this strategy that is going to make your trades more accurate. Okay, so first thing, to implement this strategy, you firstly need to put all of this currency pair in your favorite that are paying over 90%. Okay, payout. And then your candlestick should be of S30. Okay, and then in this, your people, what I saw is most people are confused in this. Okay, so if you have this clock at here, then make it flag. Okay, make it flag and then select at here. Okay, select it at here and S30. So now what does it mean? So for example, this candle is forming and 10 second is already passed. Okay, and if you make a trade at this time, then you will only be making trade on 20-second time frame, even if you have selected plus S30. Okay, but if you select this clock and make it S30, okay, then in that case, if you make trade at here, then your trading time frame will be S30. Okay, it will not be like S20, S10 as of that flag. Okay, as of this flag, it will not happen like that. Okay, so it is important to use this flag for this strategy and this plus S30. Okay, and then you can decide the amount that you want to invest. Let's say we want to invest $1 and do compounding. All right, so now the trading strategy is extremely simple. So let's say currently this one dot have formed at here, like, okay, so sorry for this, you need to implement this parabolic SAR indicator. Okay, so let me remove it. Okay, you can just click on here. Okay, and then use this parabolic SAR indicator. You don't need to make any changes in this acceleration and maximum acceleration. Okay, it's fine with default setting. So once you do this much, then let's say currently this was forming. Okay, this dot you saw. Okay, then you need to wait for another dot. Okay, another dot, and then see these are the dots. Okay, this, I mean, this candle should be at this level. Okay, near this dot level, and whenever this second dot is formed, okay, or there is a two dot you see. Okay, and these candles are anywhere around these dots. Okay, then you make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, similarly, let's say for example, so let's say this one dot have formed. Okay, and the market is near these dots. Okay, near these dots. Okay, and second dot have formed, or there is second dot at that time you see. Okay, and at that time exactly you make trade by clicking on lower. So now I'll exactly make few trades by and show you. So here you can see one dot have formed. Okay, and market is near this level, but it is again rising up, so I will not make trade at this condition. Okay, here you can see two dots were formed. If market was at this level, then I could have easily make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, and my chances of being right would be more. Okay, so let me show in another market. So here you can see one dot have formed. Okay, and another dot will form, and it is near this dot. Okay, so I'll make trade by clicking on higher whenever another dot appears at here. So let's wait for some time. So okay, I made a trade by clicking on higher at here, but this market failed a little bit at here. But let's see what happens in this trade. So we lose this trade, so I'll show you in another. So as you can see, one dot have already formed and it is at this level, okay, wherever these dots are. So if another dot appears at that time, I'm going to make trade by clicking on lower. So let's wait. So I made a trade by clicking on lower at here because second dot have formed and it is anywhere near at these dots. Okay, so that's why I made a trade by clicking on lower, and we are going to be right in this trade most probably. So let's see what happens in this trade. So we made profit in this trade. So now what I will do is I will attach that previous video where I have turned $1 into $68 so that you can train your consciousness, okay, your conscious mind to make trade in this way. Okay, I'll not speak anything, I'll just show you by making that trade and turning $1 into $68.